Okay, hopefully you can hear this. Very quick look at the AeroMAX OSD. I'm going to use the run cam so that you can see the setup. So that's the OSD board just there. We have a pt1 180 GPS there. You should be able to see the satellites, top left hand corner, as well as the lat long here. I've got a little barometric altimeter or a barometric sensor here, which should show the altimeter on the right hand side, so you might see that going up and down. That's the altimeter ladder. So I'm using pass through for the camera and the VTX. So basically whatever LiPo you power it from on the top pins, it powers the video transmitter and the camera. It's ever so easy to set up. You just use one of these FTDI USB dongle things. When you're programming it, do make sure that you plug in the green DTR cable. I didn't and was struggling for about half an hour, then I realised that I was doing it wrong. And then also just down here you do need to power the board off a 5V supply. I've just used a very small Pololu 5V constant step down converter. But it's such a simple little lightweight setup. Yeah, there's not a lot to see really. I'm looking forward to using this. Anyway, I'll do a better video later. Bye for now.